guy.
I think that this is close to being a baby cry.
This guy wants to kill me.
No, he is kind of a baby cry. He's just miserable. He has to poop. He has not pooped in the whole time. He has not pooped in his travel cage at all. He's hungry. He's thirsty. Yeah. He's making a baby bird. This is very close to what a baby bird makes. It's his baby call. He's very miserable. He's so miserable that he can't even cry like a proper dinosaur. He's making his baby cry. It's okay, baby.
I'll let him chew on my hand.
Well, no, he's thirsty. He needs to drink water. He's thirsty. He's hungry. He has to poop because he refuses to poop in his mess. It's okay, baby. It's okay. You didn't want food whenever I gave it to you.
That is very scary.
It's okay. He's totally regressed to being a baby bird. It's okay, Misha.
Misha, we're almost home.
You want me to pet you? It's okay.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to
It's
turn
okay,
left
baby.
onto US 231.
We're almost there.
US 52 west.
We're almost there. We're almost there. It's okay, baby. You've been such a good bird.
Use
Saying.
the left 2 lanes to turn left onto US 231 north, US 52 west.
Yep. As soon as we get out, he's going to poop.
Okay, you can.
He's such a good bird. We're almost there. Oh, poor baby.
You wouldn't trust him to come out of the car and poop, right? He has to be in his house.
If he had his harness on.
Oh, he doesn't have a harness though.
No, he doesn't have his harness on. He's being a baby. He just came right up. He's like, me pet him because he's very upset. He's a baby bird.
We're
It's
almost
okay.
there, Mish.
We're almost there.
Yeah, it could be naps.